In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a referral program in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple plan to launch a referral program that rewards your customers and brings in new ones without friction. First, choose and install a referral app. Head to the Shopify App Store and browse popular options like Referral Candy, Shop Jar, or Partnero. Compare features, pricing tiers, and reviews, and make sure the app supports the reward types you want and integrates with your current Shopify plan and theme. When you've picked one that fits your needs and budget, click Add App and follow the prompts to install it on your store. Most apps offer a quick setup wizard. Use it to save time, but don't worry, you can fine-tune everything later. Next, configure your program settings. Define rewards for both sides, what the referring customer gets and what the new customer gets. You can choose percentage or fixed amount discount codes, free products, or store credit. Keep your margins in mind. Make the reward appealing without giving away too much. Set clear requirements for a successful referral, like requiring the new customer to complete a purchase or meet a minimum order value. This helps prevent abuse and ensures the program drives real revenue. Then, customize the experience. Add your logo, set your brand colors, and write friendly, shareable messages that will appear on social media or in emails. If your app supports it, set expiration dates for codes and make sure they're easy to apply at checkout. Now integrate the app with your theme so tracking works correctly. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Look for App Embeds or a similar section and enable your referral app's tracking script or widget. Some apps also provide blocks you can add to specific pages. Save your changes, then preview your store to confirm the referral widget displays and the tracking code is active. Finally, launch and promote your program. In the app's dashboard, enable the program to make it live. Add a link in your main navigation or footer so customers can easily find it. And consider a small call-out on your homepage. Promote the program in your post-purchase emails, order confirmation messages, and on social media to drive participation. Highlight the benefit in plain language so customers instantly understand what they get for sharing. That's it. Choose, configure, integrate, and launch. Keep an eye on performance, adjust rewards if needed, and watch your referrals grow.